Alex is growing up and changing. He's in sixth grade now. He's starting to get bigger muscles, and his voice is starting to get a little bit deeper. When he was in fourth grade, Alex thought girls were pretty icky, but now he's starting to like them. To impress his friends and some girls in his class, Alex is thinking about taking a picture of himself in his swimsuit and posting it on a website. Do you think this is a good idea? Well, actually, it's a really bad idea. Let's think about why. First of all, a picture posted to a website can be copied and pasted to other websites. In just a few minutes, Alex's picture could be on tons of websites where total strangers can see him, in his swimsuit. And once they're out on the web, there's no way for Alex to get those photos back. Plus, someone could use software to place Alex's head on someone else's body, making it look like Alex was smoking a cigarette at school. This could get him suspended and in big trouble with his parents. Even worse, somebody could paste Alex into another picture of a crime taking place, making him look like one of the criminals. Posting pictures can be dangerous too. Pictures of Alex might show where he lives, where he goes to school, and other personal information that total strangers could use to put him in danger. And there are certain kinds of photos that you and Alex should never take or share. Pictures that show kids without any clothes on are against the law. Having or sharing them is also against the law. Alex needs to think before he posts that swimsuit picture, or any picture with him in it. Alex wants to volunteer with his scout group this summer. But what if the scout leader finds a picture of him like this? Would you respect Alex after seeing it? The point is, once Alex posts a picture, who knows who might see it, how it could be changed to embarrass him, or who might use it to put him in danger. Even though Alex wants to impress the girls, he makes the right choice and decides not to post that picture. That's because, like you, he knows that posting a picture only takes a second, but it can last a lifetime.